Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Lady Tremaine from Cinderella and Dress to Impress. I'm doing the classic cartoon version. So let's get started with the video. I don't think I did any adjustments on this, but let's see if I remember what I wore. Because I did a lot of layering, as you can tell. So, okay. Let's remove everything except for the hair because I'm too lazy to do it again. So select the heart shape hair and color it 606060 and 9F9F9F. I did actually position it to the 0.45 and scale it to 0.36. No bangs on this one. Then I just did this updo in 4040. No adjustments on that. For the fit, you do need to get the turtleneck here in this purple color, 846AB5. Then we're just going to layer on some stuff. So layer on this shirt here and color it 5C1F20. And then this 2. And then this 2 in the top only in matte. And then for the sleeves, we're going to use these sleeves here. So sleeves only in that color. And then for the other part of the sleeves, I use these in that red, except for the cuffs and trims and lace, I did that purple. Then I did this top here in red. And then what else did I use? I used this this dress in type 2 in red. And then I also used this in red. Just layer until you can't see that purple that much anymore. Then for the skirt, I did use a Roblox item. I used this. Turn off the see-through and then color it red like the rest. And then I also used this skirt here. Where is it? And only skirt in that same red. And then I also used this top because we need the gem. So turn off everything except for the gem. Then I'm just going to color it this in matte, like the same red in matte. And then I'm going to just color the gem like green. Maybe make it like a darker green. And then I'm going to also add these round earrings in green. And probably like a darker green as well. And then I use this stick in all black. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's it. Did I add anything else? I can't remember honestly, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!